and welcome to KCT. I am the one and only Witch Properstar, and today we have a special Halloween mechanism. This is a magnet sequence puzzle. The players need to find the objects with a magnetic base and place them on the dollhouse sockets. In the beginning, we have an output and I can take off the magnet. When all magnets are in place, the magnet gets released. On the output, you can connect relays, light bulbs, magnets, or any other device that uses 12-volt DC input. You can also set the device to either start with an output or not. If you have any further questions, don't hesitate to contact us here. You can find on our site more custom builds, automations, mechanisms, and equipment for your escape room, or place your custom order. We have our base in Greece, but we ship worldwide. Thank you so much for watching, subscribe for more demonstration and tutorial videos, and I'll see you next time!